Hi everyone, welcome to our amazing automotive products channel. Today video is about
automotive wheel care.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
Introducing the all-new Hybrid Solutions Pro Rapid Decon All-Wheel Cleaner Plus Iron Remover.
Of course, this can be used on the rims, and for today we're going to be using it on the paintwork as well. This is a fast-acting, acid-free, color-changing formula that safely eliminates contaminants, brake dust, iron particles on the wheels and on the paint surfaces.
So a lot of times, especially on white cars, you can kind of see these like yellow, black, and gray dots. And everyone asks, or my customers used to always ask, like, how do I get those out of my paint, or what are those? And those are, they're on all color cars, but you can just see them more on white color cars. But they're little contaminants that kind of hit themselves into your car that don't come off with normal washing. And so the iron decon is great because it's a way to kind of exfoliate your car's paint and kind of grab all those contaminants out of it.
Well, when it comes to iron contaminants, first of all, think about where it's coming from. A lot of times it's coming off your brakes and rotors. It also could be coming from trucks that you're driving behind. And what really happens is if you leave the iron contaminants on the car, it also could be coming from trucks that you're driving behind. And what really happens is if you leave the iron contaminants on the car, it's called a reduction reaction. It reduces rust back to a soluble iron that color changes and makes it easier to remove off the wheel without actually damaging the wheel, because rust can be a very abrasive, so if you try to rub it, you could actually do trees that are used to remove iron have a very high hydrogen sulfide, rotten egg type of smell. And if you're using the product over and over, you kind of get tired of the smell. It is going to find a lot of satisfied consumers that are looking for that more quicker reaction time, that more instant, faster cleaning. It's going to meet their needs.
Check out and shop all of Turtlewax's 2022 fan-requested innovations.
The road is not a forgiving place, so the best strategy for keeping your wheels and tires looking great is regular maintenance with Mother's Wheel and Tire Care products. It's better to clean the tires and wheels before washing the rest of the vehicle, so you take care of the dirtiest areas first. Clean and rinse each wheel individually before proceeding to the next. Starting at the top, spray the product liberally on your tire and wheel about a foot away from the surface. Allow the foaming action to work for about 30 seconds, then hose off thoroughly with a strong spray of water. The unique spot-free rinse formula means there's no need to hand dry.
A clean set of wheels can make your ride look amazing, but keeping your wheels and tires clean can be hard to keep up with. Between dirt, road debris, and brake dust, your wheels and tires are under constant assault every time you drive down the road. To top it off, as your wheels heat up from braking, this grime can get baked right onto the wheel. An easy way to handle a situation like this is to use Armor All Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. It's powerful enough to clean even the dirtiest wheels, but gentle enough to be safe on all factory and aftermarket finishes. Start by hosing off a cool wheel, then spraying it on, letting the powerful foam get to work. This concentrated cleaner cuts through the nastiest of road grime and months of neglect, leaving your wheels and tires looking great. A wheel and tire this dirty might require a little bit of effort. Just hit it with a soft brush, cloth, or a sponge to help break it up and remove the stubborn grime. Give it a half a minute to let the foam spread into the tight spots, then rinse it off with cool water. An easy way to handle a situation like this is to use Armor All Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. It's powerful enough to clean even the dirtiest wheels, gentle and safe on all aftermarket. Start by hosing off a cool wheel. This concentrated cleaner cuts through or a sponge to help break it up and remove the stubborn grime. Give it a half a minute to let the foam spread into the tight spots, then rinse it off with
A valued friend to all car lovers is Sonax Wheel Cleaner Full Effect. Try it once, and you will agree its tough acting power is impressive. Liberally apply the Wheel Cleaner Full Effect, which sprays on fluorescent green before turning red as it attaches itself to the iron found in brake dust. One application and you'll see instantly the penetrating cleaning power as it tears down brake dust with amazing results. Just rinse off the gentle acid-free formula and you will marvel at the new shine and luster of your rims. Fight the wear and dirt buildup on your wheels with Sonax Wheel Cleaner or Sonax Wheel Cleaner 5-liter refill. Ideal for cleaning the toughest grime that comes from driving the street. It's a game changer for regular wheel rim maintenance. Go to SonaxUSA.com and order Sonax Wheel Cleaner 5-liter refill today. Sonax, premium German car care.
Meguiar's Hot Rims aluminum wheel cleaner is formulated specifically for uncoated aluminum and other sensitive materials often used on aftermarket wheels. Our extreme clean foam grabs onto wheels for extended dwell time to loosen brake dust and road grime for maximized cleaning, yet gentle enough that it won't stain or damage your wheels or brake components. Clean your wheels quickly, thoroughly, and gently with Meguiar's Hot Rims aluminum wheel cleaner.